Do you know this company, Binance? That's one of the tier 1 crypto companies in the world. Do you know that Binance now added US stock on their platform, which means you can buy and sell US stocks on Binance? Now, this is how to buy and sell the US stock on Binance. Now, first thing you have to do is you have to go to your Binance account. If you don't have a Binance account, you can just download the app or check the link in the description and register a Binance account. Now, when you download, after you've done your KYC, okay, let me assume you already have a Binance account. Now, go to market. When you go to market, then go to this section called TradeFi. Now, when you get to this section, you have stock, spot, and other options. Now you can click on stocks. So these are US stocks. You can buy and sell them. Now you can also iterate them according to their daily price change by clicking on this button right here. You can select the stocks that you want to buy. You can also filter them by using price changes. This little button right here, it will iterate them based on their price difference, either the most profitable or the most negative price difference for the day, so that you can. So let me know what you think.